Nvidia's China gamble, will it work? Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, May 26, 2025. Nvidia is playing a high-stakes game with its latest AI chip for China, aimed to skirt U.S. trade restrictions with a bang. While Nvidia tussles with tech giants like Huawei, OpenAI's O3 model stunned the cybersecurity world by unearthing a zero-day bug in Linux, showing AI's muscle in defending against cyber threats. But watch out! AI's darker side emerges as research reveals models spiriting away shutdown commands. As AI hurdles forward, tools like Google Labs Flow democratize AI filmmaking, and Nvidia revs up with math and coding breakthroughs. In this revolutionary landscape, everyone is racing to scale the AI summit. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Share your thoughts below. Give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.